Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend. And welcome to a video on Jasmy. Wanted to do an update on that. I know that there's a very big Jasmy community out there, and I just wanted to inform you on the technicals around Jasmy. I mean, just purely in general, technically, it is bullish, right? So we saw a lot of bullish momentum leading up to this top right here. Let's say around 0.41 cents. Then we made a bit of a double top right there, but that's not necessarily a problem. And since then, Jasmy on the short term has kind of been consolidating between, let's say, 0.41 cents and 0.37 cents, which is a very strong key level. So it's good that that is holding. Was also to be expected. But yeah, so what's next? Because obviously, if a crypto is in a range like this, at some point of time, it will break out. All right. So I just wanted to wanted to talk about that. Right now, in general, Bitcoin is still quite strong, showing a little bit of bearish momentum right here with this last 4-hour candle. But it's in my eyes, it's to be expected that that Bitcoin will hold this range. All right. I don't expect that much movement over the course of today. So that's not going to influence Jasmy that much. And Jasmy on its own, because I never really like to look at Bitcoin too much. I want to take a look at cryptos themselves as well. The thing though is that Jasmy, like over the last month, is very correlated with Bitcoin. So it does matter what Bitcoin is doing. Last 7 days, a little bit less. And then Jasmy on its own, like it's showing a little bit of momentum here in the last 24 hours. The open interest has grown a bit by about 10%. It's not that much. So it's really, like, Jasmy really is consolidating. Everything is just pointing towards really a neutral market structure. And I do have to say, and I do want to zoom out to the daily time frame for this, like this is quite a strong resistance level it's battling with. All right, this resistance level at 0.41 cents is not nothing. All right, so I do have to say, I think Jasmy right now is very strong, and I think the market structure is turning into something more bullish. And if Bitcoin really continues this bullish momentum as well, I expect Jasmy to at some point of time break above 0.41 cents, find some resistance at the 200 EMA at 0.43 cents, and then continue rallying up to 0.44 and 0.45 cents. Those are my thoughts. In my eyes, that's the most likely bullish breakout we can get from Jasmy. But the thing is that does depend on if Jasmy gets some more momentum in the upcoming weeks, if Bitcoin remains bullish. So there's just too many ifs for me to really go long on Jasmy right now. Now, if it gets that bullish breakout, a long would be great. But for now, I have to say that on the short term, I think it's more likely that Jasmy will stay in this consolidation. Because there's no indication that we will have a breakout, which is the main, I almost have to sneeze. But that's the main idea behind it, all right? I think a bullish breakout, given the market structure for Jasmy and the markets in general, I think a bullish breakout is the most likely scenario. But at this moment, there's no indication that bullish breakout is coming. So on the short term, I think it's more likely that Jasmy will stay in that consolidation between 0.41 and 0.37 cents. So those are my thoughts. That's my full analysis on Jasmy for now. So if you do have any questions about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. Down in the description and the pinned comments, you'll also find links to my own premium group and my signals group, which is profitable. So if you want to get some profitable trades while also becoming a better trader, which you can also do with the premium group, which is way more accessible, consider joining. Links will be down in the description, like I said. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and bye.